Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I am going to be creating a faux hawk using some drawstring Afro puff ponytails. Stay tuned. Hey, so I just recently did a video where I created 3 styles using my Afro puff drawstring ponytails. I'll link that video up in the cards above. And today we are going to be using the burgundy Afro puffs to create a faux hawk. So let's get into it. Okay, so I've already sectioned my hair. So I have one ponytail in the back that I've already done, and I created these parts on the side just to give it a look once I put the drawstring ponytails on. So I'm just going to go ahead and do this top section, and I am working on an old wash and go, so we're just going to recycle this hairstyle by adding some more gel to make sure that our ponytail is as sleek as possible. The whole ponytail is not going to show, but the sections that are going to show, we definitely want to make sure that they are sleek. Okay, so we're going to take our brush and smooth it all in. Make sure I pull this part over so that the part is completely exposed. And do the same thing on this side. And I'm going to add my scrunchie. Pull this section up in a ball. So my hair is getting a little bit longer. So I just wrap this around to create a little ball and add another rubber band to secure it in place. Okay, so now we have ponytail in the front, one in the back, and that is what we are going to secure our drawstring Afro puffs to. And I think I'm gonna go ahead and do my edges before I apply my puff. Okay, and we're not doing much because most of this is going to be covered with our puff. So we're gonna go in with the first one that we're going to attach to our top ponytail. So we're just stretching it all the way out flat and fluff the curls out some. Our drawstring is going to go to the back. Our 2 combs are on the side, and we are going to attach it to our front ponytail. So insert the combs. And we're going to pull the drawstring. Make sure that it's tight and secure. And wrap it around. And then tuck it underneath. And then we're just going to shape it the way we want. I'm gonna put a few pins in the side just to make sure that it's going in. But I'm gonna add the pins last. I just wanna add the 2 ponytails first so that I can get them in position, and then we'll add our pins. Some bobby pins, some hair pins, because we wanna make sure that this part is showing on the side. So now we're gonna get our second puff and install it in the back. And then we'll go into shape and pin and slay. I'm definitely feeling these Drawstring Afro puff ponytails. There are so many different styles you can create with them. Definitely going to purchase some more in different colors. Quick, nice, easy, and fun protective style. Again, go in and fluff a bit. And what I have noticed with these ponytails are that no two are exactly the same. So the curls are always just a little bit different. Some are pulled out a little bit more. Some curls are a little bit tighter. So you just have to play with it and fluff it to get it to your liking. All right, so we have this one ready, and we're gonna attach it to the back. Again, drawstring in the back, combs on the side. Combs in. Wrap the string around. Tuck it underneath. So we have our 2 puffs installed. So now I'm just going to go in and pin it. So I'm probably gonna pin it off camera because I do need a mirror, but I'm going to put some pins in the top to just attach the 2 puffs together, and then some pins on the side, and then probably a few in the back to bring this down. So I'll be back. And here we are with the final look. I literally added about 6 or 7 hairpins, not bobby pins. So I put 2 in the front. I put a couple on the side, some in the back to bring it down, and then a few in the middle. But that is literally all I did. Put on a little makeup, and yes, this is our finished result. Literally took me 5 minutes to do this style. Ponytail in the front, ponytail in the back. Attach the 2 drawstring Afro puff ponytails. Couple of bobby pins. That's it. Cute, simple, easy spring style. Definitely loving this fauxhawk, and I'm loving the color as well. Let me know in the comment sections what you think about this style. If you would try it out, I will leave in the description box the Amazon link to where I purchased these drawstring Afro puff ponytails. Yeah, thanks so much for watching my video. Oh, wait, this hoodie. If you are feeling this dope soul hoodie, I will leave the information for where you can purchase this in the description box. This is from a small Black-owned business that you should support, so definitely check out the link. Thanks again so much for watching this video. We're on the road to 1K. Thanks for helping me get there. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.